In this video, I will discuss ginkgo biloba and memory. Brain cells are more susceptible to free radical damage than other cells. This is because their membranes have a higher content of unsaturated fatty acids, phospholipids. This is why they are particularly vulnerable to peroxidation. Brain metabolism generates hydrogen peroxide. A cytotoxic agent that generates oxidative stress, contributes to cerebral injury and edema following ischemia, and causes programmed cell death, apoptosis. Brain cells are also more susceptible to hypoxia, cerebral ischemia, than any other cells. This is because they require large amounts of energy to function, and when blood supply is restricted, there is not enough oxygen. The result is usually a variety of metabolic changes, such as acidosis, electrolyte shifts, free radical production, and increased release of free fatty acids, prostaglandins, and neurotransmitters. Clinical studies demonstrated that ginkgo biloba extract is able to protect neurons from oxidative stress induced by hydrogen peroxide. When neurons were treated with ginkgo extract for 1 hour before adding hydrogen peroxide, it was highly effective in protecting nerve cells from damage and death. In summary, ginkgo biloba extract protects brain cells against oxidative stress and lack of oxygen. In this manner, it protects memory and allows cognitive performance to be maintained. In this video, we have discussed ginkgo biloba and memory. If you want to find more useful information on ginkgo biloba, then go to damianalexander.com/ginkgo biloba PDF. If you want to learn more about critical nutritional supplements, life extension, and disease prevention, then subscribe to my YouTube channel at Damian Alexander's Vids. Lastly, discover the easiest and shortest way to double physical and mental energy, strengthen immunity, and restore health by visiting howtochangeyourownbatteries.com.